Here's video 3 on this 12-inch Better Homes and Gardens retro table fan. And I gotta say that I have not made a video on this fan in a while, so here it is. You guys really love this fan, and because it's made out of metal and it's a 12-inch oscillating fan, so yeah. So this is my 5th oscillating fan, I guess. I have 5 oscillating fans. I'm not gonna go through them unless I do the other, like, my oscillating fan, like, I guess, parade video. Just for a size comparison, next to the fan, there is a smaller 4-inch Holmes USB retro table fan, and it's bronze because well, there's the ruckus in the background. Okay. I'll try to get the closer look at we'll try to get a closer look to the fan. So up really close, the cages are chrome. From far away they look like they're gold, and then from very far away they look like they're black. And this is an all black metal fan. I guess it's a polished brass badge, even though it's not like reflective or anything. 3-speed dial control, which still works perfectly fine as far as yeah. The older models used to have a slider. I kind of miss that design. Here's the side of it. Kind of regretting this setup because I'm standing in front of the camera. I hope my shirt isn't blocking you guys' view. But yes, here's the oscillation sticker, which is really uncommon, and the push pin for the oscillator, the carry handle, and it's got the cloth cord like all Better Homes and Gardens fans have. Well, not like they did, as far as they go with metal. I mean, I guess Mainstays only made like the 8-inch version. For some reason, they just had a regular cord. It wasn't like cloth, so they basically tried to remodify it. And then the pedestal version, which is also kind of still in stock, I want for $53. I got, well, as of now, this is 39 something. I got mine for 41 something. But enough of that, I guess. So let's start up on high. Yeah, I've not demonstrated this fan in a while, so let's start up here on high. And we'll go ahead and gauge the oscillation. I don't know what's up with it, because the speed doesn't stay consistent. There it goes. It's actually... Why does the speed stay consistent on this thing? That's kind of that's kind of disappointing me. Oh, you can see here how the oscillation works. Oh, okay, you probably can't see it as at all. Okay, that's medium. I guarantee that the pedestal version is a lot louder. And then that's low. Very quiet on low, actually, as you can hear. Go ahead and gauge the oscillator again. This thing has a bent blade and it shakes rapidly. I don't know if you can see it. It just gets stuck. Okay. And I know today is November 15th, so it's basically a perfect day to make a video of this fan. So, yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. That was kind of out of frame.